horrifying case that has come to light. The body of a 9-year-old girl missing since the past 2 days was found in suburban Mumbai. The police suspect she was raped before being killed. A suspect has been arrested in this case. The locals have blocked the road in front of the police station today to protest against the alleged rape and murder.
क्योंकि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि जब से बच्ची गायब हुई थी तब से लगातार आप और हम सब लोग मिलकर कोशिश कर रहे थे ढूंढने की लगातार। इस घटना के तुरंत बाद जिस आदमी पर हमको शक था या जिस आदमी की एक्टिविटी ठीक नहीं थी उस आदमी को ला करके लगातार टॉर्चर करने के बाद भी वो नहीं मान रहा था। उसके बावजूद हम लोग उसको किसी भी तरीके से अलग अलग तरीके से इस बात के लिए उसके मुंह से निकलवाया कि उसने क्या जघन्य अपराध किया है। इस अपराध के तुरंत बाद आप लोगों को पता है कि हम लोगों ने उनकी पूरी लोगों को उसको अरेस्ट किया। अरेस्ट करने के बाद बच्ची को जो सब था वो लिया और उसका पीएम करा रहे हैं। इस अपराध के लिए उस आदमी को सबसे बड़ी सजा जो हो सकती है हिंदुस्तान में वो हम दिलवाएंगे। ये आपसे वादा है हमारा।
My colleague Apeksha joining me live, getting us further updates on this. Apeksha, extremely horrifying, shocking incident that is coming to light. First of all, take us through the details of this case and what is the status of the investigation. We understand one suspect is being arrested. Does the police feel that there are more people involved in this case?
Well, Apurva, the body of this 9-year-old girl was found in a decomposed state in a gutter close to where she lives, and it was found in a sack. And to note, on 4th of April, when she returned from school, she wanted to go get herself some tea, and that's when she took money from her parents and she stepped out. And the parents say after that she did not return. Now they waited for a couple of hours, for her to return, but when she didn't, they approached the police. Now, while the police said that we should wait for a couple of more hours, following which finally they filed the missing complaint. And for almost a day or two, they were along with the other residents of the place. They were looking out for the little girl, and in the middle of all this, the accused who's been arrested was also a part, and he was pretending to look for the girl. But this accused previously has been convicted for rape and murder. And looking at that background, after some time the police became very suspicious of him, and that's when last night he was detained. And after a lot of questioning and interrogation, it's only this morning when he confessed to kidnapping the girl and murdering her, and he himself took the police officials to the spot where he had dumped the body. And following that, he has been arrested. He is in police custody, and meanwhile the body of the girl has been sent for post-mortem. Now, while the accused has confessed to murdering the girl, but the police is not ruling out the angle of rape, and it's only after the post-mortem reports will the police be able to certainly say whether what exactly has happened to that girl apart from the murder. Apurva.